Welcome to this detailed tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to hide notifications on the lock screen of your Vivo Y17s smartphone. If you're someone who values privacy, especially when your phone is lying around in public or shared spaces, hiding your notifications can be a very useful option. This ensures that no one else can read your messages, app alerts, or sensitive information directly from your lock screen, unless they unlock the device. Let's begin with the first method. Start by unlocking your Vivo Y17s and going to the Settings app. You can find this by swiping up on the home screen or locating the gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section allows you to customize how notifications behave on your phone. Inside the notifications, find and tap Notifications on lock screen. Here, you will see several options for how notifications appear when your screen is locked. You will see three options. 1. Show conversation, default and silent. This displays full notification content on your lock screen. 2. Hide silent conversation and notifications. This will show the app name, but hide the message or content details. 3. Don't show any notifications. This hides all notifications completely from your lock screen. To completely hide notifications, choose Don't show any notifications. If you only want to hide the content but still see which app sent the notification, then select Hide Content. After selecting your preference, lock your phone and have someone send you a message or trigger a notification. You'll notice that the lock screen no longer displays sensitive info, giving you that extra layer of privacy and peace of mind. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hide notifications on your Vivo Y17's lock screen. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want a cleaner looking lock screen, these settings give you full control over what appears when your phone is locked. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.